I am making a kind of like a lunch. I had the oven on last night, so I stuck a big sweet potato into the oven as well as the baking I was doing. And so what I've done is I've got this kind of cooked, baked sweet potato, and I have it here for lunch. So what I'm making is a guacamole, and I am just mashing up a bit of avocado with some tomato and some chopped up spring onions. So just getting loads and loads of different veg in, and I'm just gonna mash it up like that, put some salt in, and I'll pop in some lemon juice to stop it going brown, although I'm actually gonna eat it straight away, so it doesn't really matter. So loading up this guacamole, just roughly chopped here, oops, going everywhere. And I'm just going to have it mashed on top of my sweet potato. So my sweet potato here has just been baked. It actually was baked last night, as I said, when I had the oven on. So I'm gonna pop some olive oil on top, some salt, some cumin seeds, because this is what I've got in my house. And then I'm just gonna mash that in a bit. Okay, yum. And then I'm gonna top it with the guacamole. So just getting lots of easy veggies in, because I've got them in my house. And then all I need to do is decide on what protein I'm gonna put on top. Often I put some nuts and seeds on top. These are pumpkin seeds. I might dollop on some chickpeas if I've got some open, some cooked chickpeas. Do you see how it's kind of layering up? I've even got some firm tofu in my fridge, so I could crumble that up, although that's gonna need a little bit of salt and pepper on top of it. Oh, I'm salivating. I'm just gonna really enjoy this. And that's it, my lunch, and that's how fast it took to make, because last night when the oven was on, I just bunged in a whole sweet potato, so I knew it would be cooked for today. Hope you enjoy it.